Here are some home remedies that may help to relieve upper head pain in adults. Rest. Getting plenty of rest can help to reduce stress and improve circulation, both of which can contribute to head pain. Ice pack. Applying an ice pack to the forehead or back of the neck can help to reduce inflammation and pain. Heat therapy. Applying a heating pad or hot water bottle to the forehead or back of the neck can also help to relieve pain and relax muscles. Massage. A gentle massage can help to relax muscles and relieve tension headaches. Aromatherapy. Essential oils such as lavender, peppermint, and rosemary have been shown to have pain-relieving properties. You can add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser or apply it to the temples and forehead using a carrier oil. Drink plenty of fluids. Staying hydrated can help to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation. Eat healthy foods. Eating a healthy diet can help to improve overall health and reduce the frequency of headaches. Avoid foods that are known to trigger headaches, such as caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods. Get regular exercise. Exercise can help to reduce stress and improve circulation, both of which can contribute to head pain. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Manage stress. Stress can be a trigger for headaches. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. If you are experiencing upper head pain that is severe or persistent, it is important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions.